আপনি জানেন না? আপনার নামের বানান কি? কিসে লেখেন, বাংলায় না ইংরেজিতে? আপনার হয়ে মামলা কিন্তু উনি করছেন, আপনি সেটা জানেন? সই কিসে করেন, বাংলায় না ইংরেজিতে? সবসময় ইংরেজিতে সই করেন?
And here, my lord, the fighting for the post of opposition leader, and that is why, my lord, the respondent number 6 claiming to be the opposition leader by obtaining a false signature in other members. And the president of the my lord, Jilla Parishad, my lord, president of the district committee, my lord, he wrote a letter that he has been expelled from the party. That's why he made a representation before the BDO and SDO for not to take her name as leader. That is the my humble prayer, my lord. The representation has not been considered because my paragraph page, my lord, for 15 and 16. One of the
Where is the
winning candidates
representation?
made a complaint.
Where is the representation?
Madam, that is, my lord, come
Page
to
14, my lord.
page
My lord,
14
but
and
video has nothing to do, my lord. It is the internal dispute between the party members.
Petitioner number 2, Bonamali Shaho.
Yes, yes,
He has not signed the Vakalatnama.
he is present here.
Who has signed? Bonamali Shahu. I can see one signature. It is not his signature. Who is the advocate on record? Vakalatnama has been given to you by whom?
by petition number 1.
By the petitioner number 1. Who has identified the petitioner? Clerk, Manav Bagh. Deponent is known to me. Amit Kumar Bera.
Which one is the petition number 1?
Yes.
And
And is Amit Kumar Bera here in court? No.
and page 16, my lord, another.
Wait, I will first decide who has signed the Vakalatnama.
Yes, ma'am.
And are you sure that the petitioner number 2 is the person who is standing behind you?
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am. He is present in court.
Sure.
Yes,
Ask his name.
That is also here.
বাবার নাম কি? আপনি কোনো ওকালতনামা সই করেননি? আপনি কি কোনো ওকালতনামাতে সই করেছেন?
যেটা ফাইল হচ্ছে তাতে করছি না না।
আপনি কি কোনো মামলা দাখিল করেছেন কোর্টেতে? কোনো মামলা করেননি? আপনি অমিত কুমার বেরাকে চেনেন? চেনেন? কি করে চেনেন? আপনিও পঞ্চায়েত সমিতির মেম্বার? আপনার নামে একটা ওকালতনামা সই হয়ে কোর্টে জমা পড়েছে, আপনি কিছু জানেন? আপনি সই করেননি? I'll send to the police. And both the advocate and the clerk will fall in trouble. Merit will go later on.
Well, me too, that is a
But
representation.
if this is the position, somebody else signs on his behalf. Learned counsel, inquire from your clerk.
The other person has been added as petitioner number 1.
No.
Appropriate party to regulate his grievances. Petitioner number 2.
In that,
merit of the case, out of 30, 12 are in our side, and they have nominated respondent number 6 as leader of opposition in Panchayat Suri.
And who is the respondent number, petitioner numbers 1 and 2?
He is one of the
petitioner,
Panchayat Suri, one of the members. He is the odd member who is opposing the leader of opposition seat of the respondent number 6. That is the only claim. He cannot because out of 30, 12 are supporting him.
but that should be decided by
Where is the question of deciding if out of 12, 10 is
no,
in
my
their
lord,
favor?
because my lord, he has been already been next page, my lord, that is he has already been cancelled from the party, expelled. That is next page.
Who has been expelled?
All both of them.
Both means who
Well, Sagota Mandal, the respondent number 6.
has been expelled?
Yes.
That is also in favor, my lord. Can you see the
Yes.
represented
Page 16.
and he has been expelled.
But first tell me, what is the role of the petitioner number 2 in the writ petition?
And that's, my lord,
What is his role? The petitioner.
he is the winning candidate.
Petitioner number 2 is the winning candidate.
And when the grievances, my lord, in the white paper, they have to obtain a sign. That is page 14. Page 14.
Page 14 what? Bonamali Shahu's signature is there.
Yes, my lord. That's
Oh, how is Bonamali Shahu?
that Bonomali. That is question, my lord.
Then
Allegation made by the Bonomali Shah. আরে সেটা বললে কি হবে?
Bonamali is neither a party nor nor there.
No, Bonomali is party.
Oh,
Petition number 2. Bonomali is petition number 2. That but she has not filed local drama. That's why this question. Allegation ko to bolna.
Bonamali, inquire whether page 14 he has signed or not. Show it to him.
Page 14. Page 14.
Show.
Yes, his signature.
He says it's his signature.
It is his signature. He
But-
said that it was obtained from him. It was prepared by other person.
Hello, wait. আপনার হয়ে মামলা কিন্তু উনি করছেন। আপনি সেটা জানেন? আপনি জানেন না? আপনার নামের বানান কি? কিসে লেখেন? বাংলায় না ইংরেজিতে? সই কিসে করেন? বাংলায় না ইংরেজিতে? সবসময় ইংরেজিতে সই করেন? বানানটা বলুন তো। তারপর SAH. Do you have the copy of the Wakalatnama? No. Check up the spelling that has been written over here. Mr. Huck, seen the spelling?
Yes, sir.
HU.
Spelling is different. Who has put in the signature?
Given by the Kumar Bera. And
I will send it to the police for inquiring as to who has made this signature and filed it before this court. Degi?
No, madam, make it. I didn't want to proceed, madam. Then.
No, when you are in trouble, you will say you will not proceed and the court will not allow this. Ashun to. The writ petition appears to have been filed by two petitioners, Amit Kumar Bera and Bonamali Shahu. Bananta dekhben. Wakalatnama contains signature of both the petitioners. Paragraph: the writ petition has been affirmed by the petitioner number 1, Amit Kumar Bera, and the deponent, that is Amit Kumar Bera, has been identified by the clerk of the learned advocate on record of the petitioners. Wakalatnama was accepted by the learned advocate on record by recording his satisfaction. Stop. Next. At the time of hearing of the writ petition, the petitioner number 2, Bonamali Shahu, appears in person and submits that he did not file any writ petition before this court, neither did he sign any Wakalatnama for filing the writ petition. Stop. Next. Learned advocate on record of the petitioner submits that he received the Wakalatnama from the petitioner number 1 and on good faith filed the present writ petition. Stop. Next.
And one thing, my lord, page 14, he admits that he signed this representation.
A document at page 14 is annexed to the writ petition, allegedly bearing the signature of the petitioner number 2. Stop.
My lord, let this
The
matter be.
petitioner
My lord,
number
you
2, the
it is
signature
withdrawn,
of
my
the
lord.
petitioner number 2 is under the spelling the signature, the surname of the signature, surname. under the spelling SAH-00. SAH-00 inverted comma ভিতর দেবেন. Stop. The petitioner, the surname of the petitioner number 2 in the cause title is within inverted comma SAHU, and in the wakalatnama SAHU. Stop. The signature appearing at page 14 and the wakalatnama appeared to be completely different, even by the eye estimation. Stop. Next. It appears that some mischief has taken place at the time of filing the present writ petition. Under which police station will this fall?
Panchkula.
Paragraph into the inspector in charge, Panchkula police station, is directed to inquire the matter to find out as to whether the writ petition was at all filed by the petitioner number 2 and whether wakalatnama was signed by the petitioner number 2. Inquiry, the deposition of the petitioner number 1 and the other necessary parties shall be recorded
Hello, one thing, madam, let it be withdrawn, madam.
and be placed before this court on the adjourned date. একটা লাইন লিখে নিন তো, learned advocate representing the state respondents is directed to communicate this order to the inspector in charge, Panchkula police station. Mr. Haq,
My lord.
communicate.